One of the questions we get asked a lot is, how do we account for the new climate change update as per Australian rainfall and runoff guidelines? So in InfoDrainage, the way we would normally set up our design storms as per ARR is through the rainfall manager or the design storm icon. Here we can use the map box in the storm generator tool to select our latitude and longitude and download the information files from the ARR Data Hub and Bureau of Meteorology, specifically the IDF curves. Then we can select our AEPs. We can add as many as we would like or change which event to design for, and also we can choose which durations we want to run. And so what it's done is download the information files here. So this is the IFD curve example from the Bureau of Meteorology with all the intensities for different events and durations. And then we have the text file from the ARR Data Hub, which gives us information about our area of interest and also includes factors for climate change as per the new guideline updates. So what we would need to do is select scenarios for different shared socio-economic pathways, which is essentially an outlook of our emissions heading into the future, and then the design year of our infrastructure for the project. Now you can see there's lots of factors to apply based on these depending on the duration of your IFD curve. So we put together a script to help automate the update of these IFD curves, but also generate our new losses in accordance with the guidelines. So running the script, it'll ask us to select that Data Hub text file and also the Bureau of Meteorology IFD CSV file. So that's what's been downloaded from the InfoDrainage Storm Generator tool. And then we would select our SSP scenario and the design year that we want to run and set up. And it will just pass the rainfall factors from the Data Hub text file, as well as the loss factors, which are to be applied to the initial loss, continuing loss for our area, and it will give us the new values here. It'll also show us what the change in temperature is for the scenario that we've chosen. So all we need to do now is back in our rainfall manager, we will duplicate our existing rainfall case, and then we'll add this scenario as our climate change. And it's a good idea just to reference what SSP we've chosen and the design year as well. All we need to do now is go to the IFD CSV and then change that out for the new updated one. So this has been produced from the script. And then just to show the example of what the script's done, we can go back in and compare the CSV files. So this was the original, and this is our updated, which has applied all the factors depending on which duration of storm for our chosen SSP and design year. So we can look at the 1 hour 10% that we have in InfoDrainage. The existing was 66.8 and the new was 106.21. And we can go and inspect this. So the new one, our total depth is 106.21. And that lines up, and then the existing was 66.8.